and Mr. Government is represented. Can we all be seated? Thank you so much again. Wonderful audience. My name is MC Ice. But I want to be responsible for the assistant manager. 22 management fighters and an ambassador of Lagos, a proud man of that. Can we be within our seat area so that Mr. Governor and Secretary will have a peaceful time to leave the auditorium? It has been an environment timeout. Started by ITC. Thank you. WhatsApp. Wapa. Our facilitators, who are doing so well. Directors, Ministry of Women, Affairs and Development, principals from the state acquisition centers, God bless you all. And the two principals. Mr. Senebo, Mr. Project, Mr. Doable, the he for she champion, Mr. Chiba.
Okay. An opportunity again to say more things to what I said in the course of my presentation. I hope the graduates of today will be able to take this home. Couple of things that have been said, the advices that have been given, and from there they can begin to have something new. They can begin to create value. They can begin to affect our world positively. Of course, I talked about IT in the course of my presentation, hoping that they will take advantage of what technology is offering everyone today to put everyone on that global stage where you can market your product, sell, make your services available, and of course, you can earn income and you can create your own quota. I mean, be that value add to our society at large. So all the best to the graduates and congratulations once again. Thank you.